Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2008 Yamaha YZF-R6. This bike's got a little over 8,300 miles on it and is in mint condition. We'll take a walk around it so you could fire, and then I'll fire it up so you can hear it run. Like I said, this bike is in excellent condition. It's got some aftermarket goodies on it. Comes with this dark tinted windscreen. Also has flush mount LED front blinkers. We've got a tank pad here. We also have a Two Brothers Shorty exhaust. This bike also has an integrated tail with the fender eliminator on it, along with a very good back tire. And there's no damage been noticed on this bike at all anywhere. We have mounted a new front tire on this bike, so we've got a brand new front one on here. Let's get you a shot of those miles now. $83.30 is what's on this bike. This bike has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.